Okay, so this afternoon I thought we would just talk about what we do to create custom shower pans for our clients. So our tile setter, who is apparently camera shy and doesn't want to talk to you, has got all of this work done, and I just want to talk to you about what's been done here. So first and foremost is we've got a Schluter drain. Curdy product, Schluter product, that's all we use at Sprucehill. Anything else is garbage as far as I'm concerned. This is the way to go. So what we've got here is a mortar, and this is how we create a custom shower pan. And what our tile setter has done is he's gone and installed Schluter strip exactly the right amount of distance above the top of the drain so that we get the correct amount of slope, and he's screwed those into the sides of the pan, and now he's troweling that with his concrete trowel, and so that will just be sloped exactly as he needs it to be sloped. So this is how we get the base done. I'll try to come back when he's applying the Curdy membrane, but what will happen after this is all set and this hardens up, because right now it's obviously soft, it hasn't set up, but once it sets up, it's hard as a rock, it's concrete, then this will all get that orange Curdy membrane that you're used to seeing behind tiles, or if you're not used to seeing, you should be, because that's the only way to do it as far as I'm concerned. So anyways, that's just, one of the steps of getting a custom shower pan put together. One of these days I'd like to talk to you guys about how we go and locate the drain. That is probably one of the most difficult things to get right in terms of orienting the different components of the shower and making sure that the drainage from the plumber is in the right place, and then making sure the tile setter also makes sure that that drain goes in the right place, because there's so many things to take into consideration: tile thickness, other details that may or may not be going in, whether or not there's additional things going on top of the bench. There's quite a bit that goes into making sure that this gets done right, but I think this is a really interesting thing for you to see in terms of the process of creating a custom bench. So let's take a closer look here. So here you can see that Schluter edge that I was talking about, and this is just excess mortar here. He'll scrape out what he needs or doesn't need, and then off to the races. So there's that drain. We've got a plug so it's doesn't get filled full of mortar, which has happened on previous projects. So very important before you start putting mortar in your custom pan that you plug that drain. Trying to get the concrete out of the P-trap after the fact is a very painful and costly process. So yeah, that's how you go about doing it, or one way anyways. Very cool. Thanks for watching.